shit, buddy. Oh. This is it, I feel it. It's still pulling. Damn. No, not. Axle. Oh, toothpick axles. Axle. What, mine? Oh. You might be able. Yeah. Hey, Parker. Oh, never mind. Never mind. There's no freaking attachment. That's crazy.
I ordered bumpers today.
Oh, I gotcha. Damn.
I wonder if the candy's still over there.
The what?
The candy.
Candy?
Last time we were here when you stopped selling it, we busted open a
Hey, Ben. I got a soft shackle. Would you rather use that? That way you don't bend that piece?
Yeah.
There. Here you go, buddy. Oh, you took his thing off?
Hell yeah. This right here.
Yeah.
I told you to stop, I'd pull you out. Huh? I told you to stop, I'd pull you out. Well, I thought I was gonna get through. I mean, it was coming.
It was going.
Should've stopped.
Should've stopped. That's that nasty shit right there.
So I normally don't back it up and hit it like that. I normally know my time. Hey, just hold the brake. I'm gonna use the winch.
Damn. It's just going straight down. Damn. she is. Made it out.
Yeah, and more importantly, it's in there, not slapping around.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll cruise like this.
Yeah. Could be team go around.
I could be team go around for once.
For once? Oh, for once.
I'm not normally team go around.
There you go, buddy.
How bad was this? How bad did this look over there?
Oh man, that shit was just
I was thinking, how's it doing? Chris said it's pretty much buried.
Yeah. And every time.
Oh, look at the wheel.
Yeah, exactly. Looks bad.
Oh yeah, boy, I got that's a new tri-fan.
Tri-fans? There you go.
Tri-fans right there. That's a new fan.
That shit was nasty, dude.
Yeah, I ain't.
Yeah.
I'm going around that.
Yeah, I wouldn't go with
He
you.
said I'm going around that bitch.
Yeah. I mean, if there was like an opportunity to like chill out and possibly make it, I'd go. But all I'm gonna do is get stuck and break something. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, possibly make it.
Oh, so now you're gonna be the three-legged pimp?
Yeah, I'm just gonna cruise.
Three-legged.
I mean, for a second, I was like, this motherfucker coming up out of here.
I thought
I thought it was gonna come up out of there. Chris, you thought it was coming out of there?
I thought it was too.
And then it wasn't. Oh,
shit.
man. Oh,
Damn.
I'm gonna stall just then. No.
Don't jump in. Good God.
That's deep enough.
Are those Rhino 2.0s or what?
Yeah, that one is. Pops every time. The other side's one of the X300s. That broke in like a year and a half.
X300s.
The new,
Is that the flexible one?
Yeah.
Oh.
It had broke in like a year and a half.
Shit.
These other ones are shit.
Whoa.
And I just keep getting them because I'm literally just warranting the same one that I got a year ago.
Right. Oh, for sure. But they're lifetime warranty, right, or what?
18 months.
Oh, 18 months.
Oh, I got them for 18 months, buddy.
Damn.
I guarantee you I'd have got 6 or 8 of them something.
Yeah, but you could have bought a real axle by now and been done.
Damn.
Damn, buddy.
Oh, shit. He's right, you know.
He's right.
How much time you spent working on some of this, man? Get you a good axle to do much time. Yeah, get you one of those 300s or
I am. I'm gonna get another X300 on this side. Yeah, hey. The one with the limit strap is the one that broke, goddammit.
Well, you can tell as soon as it got into a bind with that. As soon as it bind up, it just popped.
Yeah. But it never came. That didn't have nothing to do with it popping out of the cup.
No, it just broke the axle.
Yeah, it just broke.
The torque just broke it.
Ain't you got quarters? Damn right, boy.
Damn right. Oh, God.
Damn right, boy. All right, well, shit. Let's
Yeah, good.
Not goes up. Not goes up where.
Go ahead.
Oh, shit. Yeah, she ain't gonna make it up to here anyways.
Go like no.
Wow. Listen, not only do you not have it, but you never had your car.
If it were mine, I wouldn't, but it's up to y'all. You're gonna frame out. He won't even look at you now. He doesn't even want to. He don't want to make eye contact. Make sure it's in mud, whatever. Oh shit. He doesn't need to move up. on, Letty. Oh, the.
It is locked.
Not locked, so it doesn't.
It says it's locked.
Hey, that didn't help.
Told me to.
You meant to winch up to you, or should we winch it back? Yeah. Hey.
You don't want no more than
Yeah, that's true.
Folks behind us,
Yeah.
they're a family. They got these little bitty baby girls. They're all in their own waders and shit.
That's cute.
And then their papa goes, I guess I'm next. And they all start jumping. Yeah, Popeye, do it, Popeye.
I love that.
Do it.
That's what we're doing.
No, you're gonna winch it. Can you winch him back, or?
Either way, we want to go back.
Yeah, it's gonna be easier to go backwards.
Hey, have somebody hook up on the back of you.
Yeah, Carl's gonna winch you backwards. Hey, that was a valiant effort again. Yeah, did you have it in mud? Was it?
Yeah.
Not in trail this time?
It's called ground.
It's ground clearance.
Hey, look. There's water in there.
No youngins are behind you. You're good.
Here, Carla.
You can hook it up? Do you know where to hook it up to?
There's a big ring under there. Here, take it. Hang on.
Damn.
So it's gearing in it, dude.
Shit. Is that good? That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Shit, you can use. Yeah, no shit. Thank you, buddy. It's on your exhaust. Watch. It's hooked onto the exhaust.
Hey, did you make sure you got it in the right place, Jason?
That's all it is.
That was a suspension. All right, backwards.
Okay.
Damn. Hit it again. Jason's a bad influence.
They go back, they go say, yeah, man, that's a badass hole, but Dilly made it all the way.
It's not as deep anymore.
Right.
Take the water out.
That's a damn good idea, boy.
What's a damn good idea?
Someone needs to put a dilly right there.
A dilly.
Watch out. Right here. You gotta beat me. There you go. When somebody can cross the Dilly and beat my mark, then you come at me.
So I can try it again?
Go ahead, Floyd. Jace duck when she comes in.
Chase duck. Shit.
Hey, you want to get across that can, you better come from this way.
Stupid. You're freaking stupid, I swear.
Man, I'm just happy the axle flag's not hanging out the cup. If I
Yeah.
feel roll with it like that, it's not gonna be-
So yours are they're not sealed, right? I thought they were sealed.
What do you mean?
I thought your diff was sealed. Like you can pull the cup out and it's sealed in the diff.
Yeah. But then the axle will be banging.
Hopping around everywhere.
Like this. I mean, it's not banging around.
Yeah.
Hell, I might even get a little bite of something every once in a
Damn,
while.
there you go.
Hey, hit it hard.
Are you gonna hit it? Oh, he said he's coming through.
That's what he said he's gonna do. He's come through. Pull up. He ain't coming through that motherfucker. You're right. I don't know.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna get covered.
I think my battery. Hold up. So you got a broke axle too now.
Oh, bad one. It's out the thing.
You want to winch to him up there?
No, they probably back would probably still the best route.
Hey, Colton, can you? I mean, can you get the defender?
Go around. Hey, Grant will come around and get it.
Yeah, that one's turning. Yeah, that one's out the cup.
Can you see it? Yeah.
I can see it kind of going around. I can't see it from this side.
It's not out the cup.
It's.
Hey, pull me out forward.
Yeah, it's spinning like this.
Hey,
You want to pull out forward?
okay, this over here you don't want to do it. All the mud's pushed out the backboard.
I'll hook you up, buddy. I'll hook you up. Carl, I'll hook you up. You gotta get that one out of the way.
Brandon ain't inside. He's like, fuck that. It's claimed 3 victims already.
Dude, oh shit. Oh shit. I don't want you to get a ripped boot, buddy. Yeah. Damn, those boots actually look pretty heavy duty. Damn.
That's why it counts like he makes a good accident.
Yeah. God.
Take it out of 4-wheel drive. There you go. Just slow and reverse. It'll be fine.
A little more, Jace, a little more. A little more.
Put it in 4-wheel drive.
All right, right there. Thank you.
So I got one more factory action to go then I'm gonna do. My wife doesn't like the theory. I'm just trying to get him out of the way.
Let's get out of this hole. He's gonna try it again. No, I'm joking. No. Let me get my phone. I didn't even hear it snap at all.
Because it didn't snap because of mud, it snapped because he was airborne. He was still the throttle.
Do you need me to pull you through these holes or what?
What?
You got it?